Hello mga Ludes! Welcome to Arabo and Filipina. So for today's video, we have an upcoming challenge. And it's called Arabo as Filipina and Filipina as Arabo.
In your dreams, that's nothing going to happen like that, sorry.
So the challenge is, we will have an exchange of damit, how we act. Arabo will act as Filipina and Filipina will act as Arabo. For example, what he's wearing right now, okay, is kandura. I will wear kandura and he
That's
will.
in your dreams.
Wow,
In
this
your
is a
dreams.
challenge.
Challenge yourself or challenge someone else, but not me.
Do not embarrass me
I
in the
will.
camera. Okay? So, one day, I will wear kandura and he wears...
Dream about it.
Mahal, sige na. It's the request from
Dream
the
about
viewers.
it. I don't care, Yaki.
It's request.
I don't care.
It's 1 hour challenge lang.
Astaghfirullah, let me get ready and go.
Ay, mahal! Don't get upset! Oh my God. Thank you for watching. Bye!